Hi everyone. Now I want to draw the liver. Now you see the liver, this is the triangular organ. So you will do a triangle, but the apex of the triangle should not be sharp. So that should be blunt. And here you will do and this type of arrangement that is towards the from the midline towards the left of the midline. So this is from the falciform ligament. Now you will see here from the right inferior border, you will see right side there is the protrusion of the gallbladder. So this is the anterior surface of the liver. You will see. So you will write the citation like the anterior surface of liver. This is the left lobe. This is the falciform ligament. This is the right border. This is the inferior border. This is the gallbladder. You know the gallbladder creates problem. Thank you everyone.